So this is a Rhinowalk Tail Bag. It's been out for a reasonably wet ride, and this is it expanded to its full capacity. And I'll show you what I've got inside. See whether it's dry or not. So my rucker jacket is on top and is completely dry. A comprehensive, large first aid kit. Insulating tape and gaffer tape. Tools for puncture repair. Quite a large Noco battery booster. Again, quite a large tool roll, which is also very good, Odinsberg. I'll open that up and show you in a minute. Pump, case of tyre punctures, and just a lead for heated gear. And all that fits in there, excluding the puffer jacket. All that fits in there when it's not expanded. So just trying to do all this one-handed. So that's how compact it is when it's not expanded. And all of this, except for the jacket, fits inside. This Odinsberg Tool Roll, which I got recently, fits a lot stuff in it. So all the spanners and tools that I need, and in this zip section are the bits and pieces for tyre repair, the plugs and so on. There's also a sort of coat hanger arrangement so that you can hang this on the bar of your bike or whatever. If you're working on the bike or on the roadside, just hang that up. So here we are. That's the tool roll. That's also waterproof. So all in all, pretty pleased with it.